You pull up to the red light in an $80,000 machine. You sit 6 inches taller than everyone else. You feel powerful. You feel like a man who can conquer the world. But here is the brutal, unspoken truth. Your job involves zero construction, zero farming, and zero towing. The heaviest thing you lift is a laptop. You haven't bought a vehicle, you financed a rolling financial prison. Welcome to the Pavement Princess Epidemic, where modern masculinity is purchased through 84-month auto loans at suffocating interest rates. Let's run the math they hide from you at the dealership. That machine loses 20% of its value the second your tires hit the street. By year 5, it's worth half. You are hemorrhaging wealth to look successful to strangers you will never speak to. Meanwhile, the quiet millionaire is driving a 10-year-old, paid-off sedan. He isn't worried about door dings. He isn't losing sleep over a $1,000 monthly payment. He took that truck payment and invested it. He traded the illusion of status for the absolute armor of financial security. Your car should transport you, not enslave you. Buy the boring car, keep your money, build your empire, subscribe to Unshackled Wealth, and let's break the chains.